Welcome back to my channel. First of all, request to you all to subscribe my channel. Let's start. 4 ways to use ChatGPT to increase your productivity. While AI and ChatGPT are still developing technologies, there is still much to learn and explore. However, companies are already starting to see significant benefits from judicious use of these tools across departments and functions. First of all, let's talk about at present ChatGPT has swept the corporate community. Numerous connective technologies have emerged from this AI powered language paradigm, all of which promise improved productivity and efficiency for business. While AI and ChatGPT are still developing technologies, there is still much to learn and explore. However, companies are already starting to see significant benefits from judicious use of these tools across departments and functions. Several ways that manage and executive of small to mid-size enterprises can use ChatGPT. And here are 4 ways to use. First of all, first is AI assistant. You can use ChatGPT as a virtual assistant on your website to quickly respond to and handle common consumer inquiries. This can improve client satisfaction and lessen the workload for your support staff. You can incorporate ChatGPT into your website or messaging apps to use it for customer services. After that, your staff members can communicate with the virtual assistant by pretending to be client looking for help with typical questions or issues. You could also guarantee progressively accurate responses by going through this process of training the language model. You can start testing the model on a small sample of clients. After you are satisfied it contains enough data to accurately reflect your business. Second is research and data collection. You can acquire competitive and market information with the help of ChatGPT. It may search the internet for pertinent data and compile results to support your marketing initiative. Your company can supply pertinent research subjects and inquiries to the ChatGPT model and include it into your market analysis process. ChatGPT may assist you in gathering data from several sources, analyzing trends, and identifying competitors by training the model on industry specific data and consumer insights. And also, it can condense industry research, client testimonials, and internet conversations to assist you in spotting new opportunities and possible dangers. Number 3 is generating leads. Engage website visitors, qualify leads, and compile prospect data such as demographic with ChatGPT. Through engaging discussions, your firm can identify new clients and route them to relevant sales channels. You may incorporate ChatGPT into your landing pages or website to use it for lead generation. The virtual assistant included into the software will find possible clients, qualify leads, and compile pertinent data. You can target interactions to sales by utilizing prompts that are specific to your process and training the model with information about your ideal customer profiles. Finally is creating content. For creating content such as email, newsletters, blog posts, social media updates, article outlines, headlines, and product descriptions, ChatGPT might be a useful tool. So it can help you produce material more quickly and effectively, giving you more time for other projects. Register for a platform or API that gives you access to ChatGPT in order to take advantage of the tool's content production features. It will create material if you specify the subject and content goals you want assistant with and pertinent. So see you in next video. Allah Hafiz, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like my video. Allah